Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin from crypto.com using an easy method. First, download the crypto.com app from your mobile device's app store. Next, you'll need to complete the quick account registration and identity verification, which usually takes just a few minutes. Finally, link a payment method, such as a debit card or bank account, to fund your purchases. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth buying experience. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund your wallet. Head to the Fiat Wallet section within the app. Here, you can select your preferred fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. Then, choose your deposit method, which could be a bank transfer or a debit card top-up. Follow the clear instructions to add funds, ensuring you meet any minimum deposit requirements, often as low as $10. With funds in your fiat wallet, buying crypto is straightforward. Simply tap the prominent Buy button located on the app's home screen. From there, you can browse and select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, perhaps Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the desired amount you want to spend, review the transaction details, including any small fees, and then confirm your purchase. It's a quick process, often completed in under 30 seconds. After your purchase, your new digital assets will appear in your crypto wallet. You can easily view your holdings and track their performance within the app. For long-term strategies, consider setting up recurring buys to dollar-cost average your investments. Crypto.com also offers various features like staking or earning interest on certain cryptocurrencies, allowing you to potentially grow your assets over time. Always remember to secure your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.